Okay. So today is how I wish yesterday had went. Today, I took 2 trades today, and this is how I was actually wrong about my bias, but was able to catch a good setup. I took 2 trades today. The first trade lost, but then I won the second trade. And because my risk to reward is a 1 to 1.5 or sometimes a 1 to 2, it obviously ate up my loss that I took today. So the very first trade that I took was a reaction off these London session lows right here. I wanted to see this fair value gap get inversed and potentially this one. So I was looking for 2 things. Either we come up and we tap Asian session lows and then continue to the downside to take out these lows and more liquidity down here, or we inverse this gap, close above Asian session lows, and target these highs up here, right? So fast forward it, get a nice strong candle inverse right here. I enter into a long position. I put my stop loss below this candle's low, and I'm targeting around a 1 to 1.5. So I just noticed that the 1 to 1.6 is this candle's London session highs. So I just target London session highs, and we were so wrong. It wasn't even funny. We're consolidating, boom, instantly stopped out, right? When I got stopped out, I have a rule, I'm allowed to take 2 trades a day. It looks like revenge trading, but it's not, because it's my strategy playing out again. So as I'm getting stopped out, I'm not here trying to force this trade to win. No, I'm saying, oh, this trade is losing. I didn't get out at break even, by the way. I was watching this trade displace into my stop loss and letting it do it. Why? It could have easily just came in, tapped this level and continue. I've seen it do that a bunch of times. But as it was closing through Asian session lows, I'm like, this is what I was looking for, the other side of the trade I was looking for. I wanted to see it react off Asian session lows. It just closed above it, but it reacted above it, and I was displacing lower through Asian session lows, and we have this liquidity down here and this liquidity down here. If my long bias was wrong, we might get a short setup. So if this trade loses, I'm done for the day. I took my 2 L's today. That'll be 2 L's today, 1 L yesterday. I'm 3 losses deep in June. Cool, we'll come back tomorrow. But as the trade lost, I was getting my short position ready. Stops at this low. Stops at this high. Entry at this low. So I got stopped out. Immediately when I got stopped out, I went short. That's not FOMO, because it's my strategy. It's not FOMO. And I was targeting these lows. These are the equal lows that I was targeting yesterday, but gold didn't want to give it to me yesterday, but it decided to give it to me today. So this is roughly around a 1 to 1.7, which fits between my 1 to 1.5 and 1 to 2 risk to reward range. So I set it in, and boom, TP hit. So even though I did take a loss, I took another dub. I'm still a little bit red on the week because this win had to cover my loss from earlier today and some of my loss yesterday. So I'm still a little bit red on the week, but these are the setups that I took today. It was a profitable day, and if y'all want to keep watching these trade recaps, please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We just hit 200 followers. We just hit 200 subscribers, so I really appreciate that. And roll to 500, then roll to 1K, then 5K, then 10K, then 20K, then 50K, then 100K, then 1 milli. All right, deuces.